Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Apple ID and payment method are ready. This prevents interruptions when subscribing. Open the App Store, update or install the YouTube app, and sign into the Google account you want to upgrade. Once done, tap your profile icon, then Subscriptions. This is where the buy flow begins. Choose the plan you need, such as individual or family, and tap Subscribe. You do this now to lock in benefits like background play and downloads immediately. After tapping Subscribe, you must authorize the purchase through the Apple Purchase Sheet. This uses Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple password, and that authorizes the charge to your Apple payment method. Make sure you read the price and billing cycle before confirming. Once authorized, the app shows an in-app confirmation, and Google sends an email receipt. You should see the premium badge on your profile and features unlocking, like downloads and ad-free playback, within seconds. Now use the features. Enable background play and set download preferences in the app settings so videos save on Wi-Fi. If you don't see premium features, sign out of your Google account and sign back in. This forces the app to refresh entitlements. For billing or subscription visibility problems, open iPhone settings, tap your name, then Subscriptions to confirm the charge. If that fails, restart your iPhone and check email receipts. Most issues resolve after a refresh or one restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.